up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. And today we are in the kitchen, right? We're going to do a couple of things here, but let's just get the intro out of the way. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and all them good something there. All right. We are doing Vlogmas, okay? You guys may have noticed that I've been uploading every day for the past couple of days. We are doing Vlogmas. We getting in the groove. We getting the mojo back, right? So, in today's video, I did go to Food Depot last night, yesterday rather. But when I got home, I had so much on the plate, I couldn't do anything. So, I'm going to show you what I did pick up in Food Depot yesterday, and then I'm going to do a quick recipe today. Well, no, I already know it, but I'm going to cook it the same way. I'm going to make some curry chicken today with some banana and dumpling. I fry some plantain. I make some tomatoes and there's some cucumber. I don't know, whatever. But I'm going to make some curry though, because husband wants to have curry chicken today with dumpling, but he wants cassava dumpling, but we're gonna make it the easy way. Easy breezy. Okay, coming in on a greater business. A blender, do it. So I'm gonna make some cassava dumpling and green banana and some curry chicken. So let's just jump right into the video and show you guys what I did pick up in Food Depot. Alright, so this is the chicken that I bought. This is the chicken legs and thighs here. So legs and quarters. Alright, so we got legs and quarters. This was $7.99 is what I paid. So I'll take out what we need right there. So I'll put back the rest in the refrigerator. Alright, so I also got some thyme. This was $1.27. And I also picked up some ginger. Alright, so this ginger was $2.15 for this. And I also picked up some green bell pepper. This was $1.59 for 3. Comes in a bag. And what else did I get? Alright, so I did pick up the bananas. Green banana. I don't remember how much this was enough. I'm going to just pick up half dozen banana. Well, this is more than half. This is 7 actually. 7 fingers of green banana. Didn't wait. Didn't check the price. All I know I needed it. I'm going to cook 4 and leave 3 for make banana porridge. So that's what we're going to do today. Just cook 4 and leave 3 to make porridge. Alright, so what else did I pick up in the store? Alright, so I picked up a can of callaloo because that's all I have access to. I don't have no callaloo tree outside. Like some people, the lucky ones, I have to buy my callaloo in the can. I live in Atlanta. And right now, baby, it is freezing outside. So there's absolutely no fresh callaloo. So please don't comment in the comments about the callaloo in the can, the ackee in the can. I'm firing me there. I don't live in Florida either. I live in Atlanta. I don't have no ackee tree out the door, people. Okay, so stop complaining. Before we get MIA again. Alright, so I'm going to pick up some saltfish. Boneless saltfish. Okay. How much was this again? No, the callaloo was, I think, $2 and some change. Almost $3 for this. This right here, so pricey. This was probably $8 for the saltfish shop. Okay, that was expensive. Alright, so I picked up some vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. Alright. Yeah, this are the ends one. Apple cider vinegar. I like to use this one to make tea. And then when I'm cooking or cleaning my meat, I use the white vinegar. So I'm going to leave that out because I'm going to clean up my thing. Alright, so of course I'm a Jamaican. Of course I have to eat. Okay, Ovaltine cookie. Alright. So I picked up a pack of Ovaltine cookie. This one was $1.59 for that Ovaltine. say I'm a Jamaican. I have to eat Shirley biscuit. So I picked up this. This was less than $1. Alright. What else? Alright, so I also picked up this coconut jelly. This is aloe vera. I also did pick up one from my husband. I'm going to the bag already since last night. So the one there my own. And then I also picked up 2 cans of soursop juice. This one has pulps in it. And listen, again, I don't have the soursop tree in the backyard. And I will never have the soursop tree in the backyard because soursop not growing in Georgia. So don't complain that you don't buy this. Me not have no choice. And I'm going to farmer's market and find some soursop and juice it. Or buy the bottle one. Or my old lane. Stay in my lane and get a can and call it a day, okay? Me don't want to hear it. Okay? Don't even bother y'all commenting about you don't drink that, and you don't drink that, and it's too sweet, and this and that, and kind of something. Me not have the soursop tree in the backyard, okay? Me not have the get up tree, me not have no tree, okay? Me not have none of that. What I talk about? None of that. Me not have that. My banana tree them don't grow banana. Them just a decoration, okay? All right, so. We're gonna go ahead and put some of them things out and get my chicken ready and season up my chicken. So when I come back, my chicken are already seasoned up and to put them on the stove. But I will let you guys see how I'm gonna make my dumplings, okay? See you back in a few. Good, so our chicken here is nice and clean. Washed it with vinegar, lemon and salt, right? So chicken nice and clean. Alright, we don't measure nothing, okay? I'm gonna add some salt here. Okay, easy with the salt because salt is something you can always add again later. Add some black pepper. Alrighty, black pepper. And then I'm gonna add some all-purpose season. This is the Maggi one. All-purpose. Use any kind of all-purpose season where you have it in your kitchen. Alright. And then I'm going to add some chicken season by the Outings brand. Use whatever brand that you have. I just love Outings everything. I love the Outings all-purpose season too, but to them I feel free mess around with Maggi. Alright, so I'm going to add some allspice, the Outings allspice also. Pimento seeds, some of y'all might call it pimento seeds, pimento berry. So I'm gonna add some of that. And then I'm gonna use turmeric. Instead of using curry powder, I'm gonna use turmeric instead, right? So this is the first time I'm actually using this brand. It's Angel brand. So I'm gonna try and see how for them thing work, okay? So I'm gonna add some of the turmeric here. And I'm also gonna add some over there in the pot. Alright, so next we're going to add some garlic because you can't cook nothing without garlic, right? And then I'm also going to add some green seasoning also. Alright, so we're going to add that and then we're going to mix all this together. Alright, so let me put on my gloves for this. Alright, so we'll go ahead and mix all that in. I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, you guys. And then while this is sitting for 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my dumpling, right? And you guys, I'm going to be making cassava dumpling today. Not the authentic way. It's gonna be fast, easy, and simple my way, Juliana way. But I'm gonna share it with Uno. Alright. So alright, so this is just it. I'm gonna add some more of the turmeric to it in the pot and make that burn. But for right now, we'll just make the turmeric that going to soak in with the seasonings, okay? So yeah, 30 minutes, right here, so. And then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, y'all, so while I'm having my chicken and going over this, so this is what the cassava looks like. Hopefully it's good on the inside because sometimes when you buy it, it's not good at all. So Thank God the one look good. Cassava. All right, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. Yeah, this one look really, really good. Cut off the end piece right there, son. I don't know how you guys peel yours, but everything with me though, I always try to make it easy and simple. So this is how I do mine when I'm peeling it. Comes right off. Sometimes it's a little bit more difficult, but hey, it comes off if you start with some kind of a mark, right? It comes right off. This one is pretty good. Right? Sometimes I just go like this and chop it and just get a line. That's a line. And then just start breaking it off. Now, y'all, one thing though, if you're not a professional at peeling cassava, try not use a big knife like this, okay? Because you will take off your hand. But because me a professional at the kitchen, meaning old school cook, I can't go around and mess with them big old something here. But otherwise from that, find one knife for your trust, okay? Because I don't even trust the one here. Trust me, brave heart me I take. Alright, so this is good. We throw these out. Just throw them over this, okay? Alright, so I throw those out. And next one I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up in any old kind of way. Alright, so what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and instead of peeling, I'm not talking about peeling, I peel it already. Instead of grating the cassava, I am going to go and put it in my blender and blend this out because trust me, I am not going to cut off my fingers on my grater. If you want to do that, you could do that. You know, maybe I'm more, you know, braver than me. But right now, y'all, me can't angle it. So the authentic way is grater in it. But my authentic way right now, I put it in the blender and make it blend out smooth. But I still gonna have the same flavor of the cassava. It has a little middle right here that it's kind of tough. So you might want to take that out. If you catch it right. But otherwise, you're going to put it in the blender anyways. So everything is going to come nice and smooth. But cut it up as small as you want to cut it because it's going to make it easier for the blender. So yeah. Cassava dumpling is one of the most delicious dumplings you could ever have in your kitchen. You know, when I was growing up, my mother used to love to make cassava dumpling, and trust me, it was one of my favorite dumplings to eat. It just had a nice little, you know, a little texture I did like. I wouldn't say flavor because dumplings made from nothing but flour, but when you add the cassava to it, it gives it a buzz, y'all. It gives it a nice little buzz. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and throw these in my blender. And so when I come back, this thing will be all smooth and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, goodies. So our cassava is all blended. I may not use all of it, but I'm going to use most of it. Whatever is left over, I'm going to use it to make cassava porridge. Alright, so I'm going to start off with about 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay. If you are doing this for the first time, please do not use bread flour. Use regular all-purpose flour, right? So that's 1 cup. Definitely want to make enough of this dumpling. Alright, that's 2 cups. Three cups. Alright, one more. Just fill up all the way. Alright, so 4 cups. That's 4 cups, alright? 4 cups of all-purpose flour only. Let me take these off and my ring because I will be needing this dumpling. I'm gonna want ear in the mouth. Alright, so I'm gonna add some salt for flavor. Okay. Also gonna add some to the water too. Alright, so mix in the salt and the flour together as a whole. We can't take that off. No, ask me to take that off. Okay, let me see me do this. Alright, so that's good. Because I don't want ear in the mouth, you know. I don't want ear in the mouth. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna start pouring in the mixture. A little at a time. Alright. Go ahead and mix that in. And like I said, y'all, if I have any left over, I'm going to put it in my refrigerator, probably freeze it, use it to make porridge, okay? So it now go waste. Mix that in. Add a little bit more. Alright, so we'll go ahead and mix that in. Perfect. So we need a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna put it all on it. Let's go do that. Perfect. Because I'm not trying to ruin my dumpling. That should do it. That should do it, goodie. And so whatever I have left over, like I said before, I'm going to use it to make a porridge. Now I'm going to waste. So look there. You could tell the difference with this. All right. Over when you're like just making regular flour. See, more white. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I start making my dumplings. This I'm going to put away and use it to make porridge or make some more dumpling with it. All I have to do is put it in my refrigerator to preserve it. Alright, y'all, so I have my bananas here. And of course, we're going to make this very easy and simple, even for beginners, right? All right, so my water is already bubbling. I'm just going to add some oil to it to separate the steeliness from the banana and my dumpling. All right, so just going to go ahead and slice my bananas like so. I'm not going to peel them, okay? So if y'all want to peel your banana, peel it. Be my guest and peel it, y'all, but for me, no time for that, okay? Alright, so I'm only making 4 bananas here. Like I said before, it's only for me and hubby. Alright, so that goes in the pot. Want to add some salt also. Just a little bit because I already put salt into the flour mix. And so now we are going to add the dumplings in. Alrighty. Alright, so we do it. Not gonna make them too small or too big. Pretty much like that. Drop them in the pot.
gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright y'all, so this is the last one. This should take about 40 minutes to get done altogether. I want to make sure my dumpling them cook nice and good, because I do have cassava in there. Alright, clean as you cook. Alrighty. Alright, let's give you guys a close up. Alright, so that's what that looks like. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to leave that and make it do what it needs to do. Of course, you can have the yam in there if you want. Sweet potato, pumpkin, anything. But today, old school way. Cassava dumpling with green banana. Alright, so we'll cover that up and make it do what it needs to do. And then we'll just get the curry chicken started. Alright, y'all, so I got my pot going on the fire. I'm going to add some oil to this. Turn the fire down because my fire was going for too long. Add it in. Alright. Alright, just want to add just a little bit of water to that. And I'm going to cover that up. And while that is cooking, I'm not even going to do nothing to it. I'm just going to leave it like that and make it cook for like about 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and add my veggies to it. Alright y'all, so I have my bell pepper here, some tomatoes, an onion, a scotch bonnet, scallion, and thyme, and some ginger. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these and clean them up. I got to turn off that overhead thing or else you guys won't be able to hear me. Alright, so cut up them your goodie.
Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up and gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up and they gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. They gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step.
Alright, y'all, so this should be done by now. Oh yeah, that is definitely done. Definitely done. Let me turn that off. That's done too. That looks very, 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 very good. Yeah, perfect. Real good. Yeah. Right? Let me know if you really miss me in the comments. Just tell me in the comments. I miss you, girl. I miss ya. Alright, so curry chicken done. And this is definitely done. Look at that. cassava dumpling and green bananas. Alright, so I did make though some fried plantain here, so and I definitely made some cucumber, tomatoes. You know, the cucumber has sesame seed on it, olive oil, and a little bit of brown sugar, and a tip of salt. I did have some Worcestershire sauce on there too. So that's what that is. So I'm gonna put that to the side with some plantains. That is done. Yo. Okay. Period. Alright, let's go ahead and put this on the plate. Alright, make sure you wipe up as you go. And that is husband's dinner, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that is it right there. Dinner done. Okay. That's husband's dinner right there. So husband there, I'll wait. So husband there, I'll wait, people. Alright, husband, don't forget fork too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Taste test. Cassava dumpling, baby. Tell me what the cassava dumpling tastes. Oh, pray. Just kind of dip it in the gravy before you even eat the meat so you can tell me how the dumpling tastes. It tastes the cassava night?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Gummy.
Gummy, right? That's what I tell them. Yes, people. Husband say the cassava dumpling gummy. Shot. Him say it's shot. Okay? So, if you say you're not people, you don't have to grate out the cassava. All you have to do with it, put it in the blender and blend it just like I'm showing, okay? And it come out nice. And if you don't have some left over, use it to make cassava porridge, y'all, okay? Alright, y'all, that is it. We are done with today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Like, share, and subscribe. Again, it is Vlogmas, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them come good and say them come, I'm waiting. And when you get done doing that, tell me what you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3.